Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more Fashion Wave tokens in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, you can use the tokens to buy something from the Fashion Wave store. When you go to the Colorfuls event, you will see the Fashion Wave store menu. And if you want to buy items from here, you need to have the Fashion Wave token. And I'm going to show you guys how you can earn more Fashion Wave token. So just go to Azour and you're going to talk to her and select this Fashion Wave related. Okay, and select sell items. And here you can sell your items so you can get more Fashion Wave tokens from Azour. And I'm going to send my seashell. Oh, it's so cheap for the seashell. Okay, let me sell this butterfly and also the bird info card. Oh, I have a lot of bird info cards. This one. Okay, just sell them so you will earn more Fashion Wave tokens. Okay. And okay guys, that's how you can earn more Fashion Wave tokens in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!